Hi, my name is Wojtek, and I'm one of the senior trainers here at Hog Technologies. Today I would like to cover troubleshooting and importance of the charge pump system. I can never stress enough how important it is to monitor the charge wattage gauge. The purpose of the charge system is to provide steady flow and pressure to the ultra-high pressure pump in order to prevent it from cavitation. Our ideal pressures would be 60 to 65 psi, although the pressure will fluctuate plus or minus few psi's. We want to stay above 30 psi. Once the charge pressure drops below 30 psi, the safeties will kick in, and then within 10 seconds, either the 40K clutch or dump valve, depending on the model, will disengage. It could be something as simple as being out of water. Make sure there's water in a clean water tank. You can look at the side glass, normally located on the driver's side in front of the tank. Another very common mistake is closed supply valve. Opening the supply valve should be the first thing you should do before engaging the system. By opening the purge valve, that's what I like to do, you can verify there's a steady flow of water to the charge pump. This eliminates possibility of obstruction in the supply line. Make sure the pump is engaging. One of the techniques that I'm using during training is making new students touch the gauge, charge pressure gauge. I'm making it a part of the startup procedure. This way they're forced to look at the gauge. When the gauge is showing 0, 1 or 2 psi, maybe even 3, it usually means the supply valve is closed or you're out of water. When you turn the charge pump on and you hear a whining noise coming from the pump, it also indicates lack of water. Turn the system off right away and troubleshoot before restarting it again. Operating the pump dry will damage the impeller inside the pump. When the pressure is climbing up but very slow, it might indicate air in the system. That's when you purge the system by opening the purge valve. When the pressure goes up to 35, maybe 40 psi and stays there, it's a good indication of the filters being restricted and needing replacement. Due to the nature of the equipment, the system requires extremely clean water. Our trucks are equipped with two-stage filtration system, 1 micron and 10 micron filters. One way to check the filters is to monitor the charge pressure, as I mentioned before. You do not have to change both filters at the same time, only the one that visually look dirty. Do not over-tighten the 1 micron cartridge filter, it could collapse. Also, make sure the plastic or stainless steel washer is present when replacing the cartridge. Make sure to install correctly the steel ring around the 10 micron filter. Both precautions will ensure longer life of the pump's internals and the nozzles. I hope you guys have learned from this video clip and have a better understanding of the system. Good luck out there.